Hi guys, Madrid Togo here, and today we have updates on the car. I'm sorry for the audio, but here I'm in my garage and I have no microphone, so the audio will be some shit. The update of today is that I have bought front seats of the Sport E36 and we are going to change them. But first thing, I'm going to change the battery because I have to clean beneath the old seats, and I have no enough battery to connect the tool. Today is another day, more sunny, and I couldn't do the work the other day because I hadn't the necessary tools to unscrew the seat belt from here. It was a Torx. I needed some Torx keys like this, and I bought them, and now I can dismount the passenger seat. Here we have it, the passenger seat. You can tell that it's in a good condition, but it is not, because if I quit this, it is in a very bad condition in the real shape of it, and I don't like it because it's very squeezy and it doesn't maintain me on it, and neither the passenger. On the other part, here we can see all the shit that I had below the seat. I will need to clean it all up before I put the new seats. But first I'm going to take out the other one. Now you can see where it is, the seat belt attached. It's this, and I have to unscrew this with my new tool. Here it is, and now you'll see the process. Okay, I hope you can see it all. First we need to lift a little bit the seat. It's pretty heavy. Okay, and now we have to unscrew this. Here it is. And the seat belt is out. Real shape of the seat, and this is bad. And this is the pilot seat. Here we have some money, and as we all know, this seat is used to be more dirty than the other one because it's used more. So we can see here all the dirt, and I'm going to clean it up. But before, I'm going to take out the new seats because I'm going to clean beneath the rear seats too. Hello. I have taken out the rear seat, and it's really dirty here, but the seat itself is not in a very bad condition. but it has hair of a dog or a cat, I don't know what is it, but it's in a good shape. It just needs to be clean. So here we have the new seats and the old seats in a pretty good shape. This one has this little thingy here that I'm going to try to repair, but these are better. Also, this has this sporty thing that I like a lot, and these parts are bigger, so it will be more comfortable to drive like sporty or dynamic on this car. Okay, I have cleaned the below the seats. This part isn't clean because I'm going to put some, I don't know how it is called, the carpet here, so I can clean it later, but the difficult part is here, and it's clean already. It's not clean, but it has no so many dirt. So now I'm going to put the new seat in it. Well, I just needed to move the seat a little bit, and now it's where it has to be, and now I have to just screw it and it will be okay. Now I can move the seat. 1 second. And I can take this one and put it here, and this is the final result. It is very comfortable. I like it. And also I installed a short shifter. Well, this is my old shifter, this is new, and the short shifter is like it's short. Everything's good.